Okay, we are starting the vlog. Where are we going today, guys? Munnar. Okay, 1 second. Okay, good morning, guys. Where are we going today?
Munnar!
Yay! The family trip in Munnar. Say hi, viewers. Check out this place.
I used to go to this place.
Maria, you want to tell what you did? What all you saw on our way here?
We saw monkeys. We saw millipedes.
Tara, you want to say something to our viewers, our followers, our Insta fam, YouTube fam?
We saw monkeys. We saw millipedes.
How did you find it after seeing your cousins after a long time?
I'll show you something. Look at that.
What is that?
Spiderweb.
Where?
Cobweb there.
We're hoping to drive to a place where we can hopefully see some elephants. We asked at the reception. They told us about a spot, but they said the chance of seeing elephants are not that high. There is past Matpeti Dam, which is another tourist spot here. And we are walking back now because it started raining. Angane trekking into Thirumanai. Hi Maria. Is it raining? Guys, we have crossed a place called Matpeti Dam and we have reached a place called Echo Point. But before we go there, the kids wanted to get some toys. Okay guys, we are at a place called Echo Point. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this through the camera. Okay, let me try. Echo! Okay, who wants to try one more?
Echo!
Yeah, we heard it. Good job.
I can do it.
Try.
Echo!
Maria, can you see monkeys?
Yeah.
Can you tell the viewers? Yeah, no, tell the viewers where the monkeys are.
See one
Oh yeah,
here.
look at that. Oh, look at the big one.
Papa is going to give nuts to monkey.
Oh, right there. This is Matpeti Dam. Okay, the room has almost everything. It has a TV, movie channels, regional channels are there. They give unlimited tea and coffee. There's a shower. It has everything, all the basic amenities. It's got hot water. I'm pretty sure all resorts in Munnar have that. They need it. Can you tell how much you love me?
My love, Appa, station 3900.
100?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You know how much I love you? 1,000 million, billion, trillion. So they have the recreational room. I taught Tara how to play chess yesterday. And they have a carom board. Tara plays better caroms than me any day. They have table tennis table. They have a table tennis table. And I taught Tara how to play that day before yesterday. And they have this multi-purpose cable gym machine, a treadmill, a stationary bike. I didn't use any of this. I decided that on this holiday I'll not work out. They have free weight dumbbells as well. Okay, let's rally. Oh, sorry, my bad. Love all. Love all. 0-0. Okay, good shot. You got the point. So as you all can see, this is a resort we are staying in, and from the room you can see the waterfalls, right? And we saw a footbridge at the bottom. So this is the road we came in, right? And that's the resort. And if we take this road down all the way till the bottom of this hill, we'll reach that footbridge. So I'm trying to get till there. To give you a quick brief about this place, From Kochi till here, the drive time is 3 hours 15 minutes. We took multiple stops, so it took about 4 hours. A small drawback of the route here, but my father says that many of these resorts have this issue here because they're all made in these hills. The last, I think about 1.5 kilometers to the resort. It's a very narrow road and it's very bumpy. But most of the resorts have this issue here because they're all made in these uneven surfaces. You will find some with flat surfaces closer to the town and stuff. But then yeah, the view you get for that is very good. So I just asked the gentleman at the reception how long it takes to walk down all the way to the bottom. He said it takes about 15 minutes. So from here we went to Matupeti Dam yesterday. It took about 40 minutes from here. To reach Munnar town it took about, I think, 25-30 minutes. And we went past Matupeti Dam to a place called Elephant Crossing and then till Echo Point. At the Elephant Crossing, unfortunately we didn't see any elephants, but we saw a lot of monkeys. Yeah, and while I'm walking, I have 15 minutes. I have about 10 minutes left to reach the bottom of the cliff. See, this is not a paid collab that we paid for this hotel. There are many resorts, and oh, it's raining. So I've got an umbrella in case it gets really bad, I can use it. So there are lots of resorts here in Munnar, plenty of good options. But since few people asked about this resort, I'll give the pluses and minus. Okay, the plus is the view. The view is one of the best. There are 3 types of rooms. I'm not going to get into detail about that. Check their website or check their Instagram page. They have a playground hub for the kids. What else? The service is very good. The people are very friendly. The staff, the room service is really good. The menu is not as good as what one would expect from a 5-star, but then they said that they are working at reduced capacity, and they are currently, the hotels are taking only about 50% booking, and they said this is a shortened menu. There's no chicken lollipop. I don't know if they had it before, but chicken lollipop is a must, I feel. So my dad has also joined me for this walk. Tara and kids are in the room and mom's in her room. It's a little difficult to do this with the kids. But yeah, we can actually drive as well all the way. But yeah, I thought walking itself is an experience, and breakfast is included in our package, so create that appetite before I have the breakfast. Heights is probably my biggest fear, especially when I look down a cliff or from a balcony that has a very low railing. Walking downhill, you actually see the view. When you're walking uphill, it's not that bad, but when you're walking downhill, you can actually see the steepness. So yeah, I'm trying to walk away from the edge. But yeah, some of you guys love these views and love heights, so you probably, but still I wouldn't recommend you guys to walk through the edges because the roads here are very bumpy. It's wet because of the rain. Yeah guys, so talking about the food, they have all the basics. I mean, they have chapati, parota, chicken, beef, fish, curries, eggs. The breakfast is good. They have a lot of options, but their lunch and dinner is a la carte. And finally I've reached the footbridge. Let me turn the camera on, guys. Oh. That's our resort. From up there, all these rocks look much smaller. The waterfall looks smaller. It's so loud. These rocks are so big. So the locals here are really friendly. That auto just passed by, and the driver just told me don't think about entering the waterfalls from the sides because you can access those rocks from the sides. He told me with a smile, please don't think of entering these places. He told it very politely. He said it's very risky. Okay, there's something new that we tried. It's potato, vegetarian. Mayonnaise potato. First time I'm hearing about this. It's very tasty. What are you eating now, Maria? Papada allada. So I'm not the best at taking photos and videos, the angles, lighting, blah blah. But even if it was somebody who's really good at taking photos and videos, even then you have to, I mean, for you to actually admire the beauty of Munnar, you have to come here once, at least once, anytime, whenever you can, whenever you visit India, whenever you visit Kerala, try to make time for it. It's amazing.